Sustainable community development is built on strong partnership. My name is Dr. Nyaradzo. I'm with Irvine, Zimbabwe, and today we are here at Chipaze High School where representatives from government, the National Command Center, provincial and district leadership, school community and Irvine, Zimbabwe have come together, united in one mission, and that is empowering communities through broiler production. Today, we are very proud of the progress we have witnessed here at Chipadze High School. This is their pilot flock, which is now at 5 weeks and ready for market. We are grateful for our partners at the National Enhanced Agricultural Productivity Scheme for their support and strategic leadership. It is very clear to us as Irvine, Zimbabwe that through fostering partnership, we're not only improving broiler production, but we are creating sustainable livelihoods, contributing to food security, and creating economic opportunities in communities.
My name is Mr. Chipadze, Deputy Head Administration at Chipaze High School. First and foremost, I want to thank Command Agriculture and IVIDS for this project that we are housing at this school. This one is a very special project which is benefiting, first of all, the school. Children are coming to have their lessons here. The community is also going to benefit because we are training members of the community so that after this project, they can also go home and start their own projects. This is something that is very beneficial to the nation and individuals as well as to the school. Thank you.
We are Irvine, Zimbabwe, and we grow together. Empower tomorrow, transforming lives, empowering communities.